Here's test cutting some 25mm aluminium bar.
Right, hello there. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Evolution 210mm sliding mitre saw. Now this has been sent to me by Evolution free of charge to take a look at and just see what I think of it. So we'll unbox this and assemble it.
It's all very well packed in the box, and it does need some self-assembly, which is very easy to do. This part is tool free and it just simply slots in until you hear it click, and then it's locked in place. The two-sided Allen key is stored here for convenience, so you won't lose it, and that's the only tool that you need to assemble it. The saw seems to be made out of good quality materials, and the other thing I like about it is it's lightweight, so it makes it really portable, which is really nice. The hold down clamp can be used on either side. Here's the dust bag, should not be used when cutting metal. So fitting the blade here, so one thing I like about the design of this is that it has a aluminium blade guard. A lot of them have plastic ones, and in the past I've actually broken these, and then the saw becomes quite dangerous to use without a guard. Here's the blade lock to lock the blade while you're tightening the blade up. Here I'm going to be cutting some 10mm threaded rod. This is 25mm tube with 3mm wall thickness. This is some oak, it cuts it really nicely. Here's some solid 25mm bar, it cuts this very easily. .22mm copper pipe. Here I'm sliding over the depth stop and then adjusting the depth to what's required. Here's some 6mm flat bar. So yeah, at the moment there's not really a lot that I can say that I don't like about this MITRE saw. It's really lightweight and portable, and it works really well, and it seems to be a quality tool. I'll put links in the description to the Evolution website so you can find out more information about this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.